so far tonight, my night has consisted of fixing this laptop and that's about it. And watching this right here. There's a pet getting a haircut.
Hi, Pamela.
Because she needs it, like, big time. Anyways, basically this laptop here, this awesome laptop, is my stepdad's boss's, I think it's his boss, higher up person, her laptop for her son, because it's not connected to the internet, and it will not connect, and it's because a bunch of stuff is missing. That's why. She wiped out the whole entire laptop, and now I have to go through, my brother and I are going through and, like, fixing everything, but there's still a few little things on there that we cannot figure out. So that's when you go to your buddies that are ridiculously intelligent when it comes to computers and get their intelligent help. So, yeah, between me and my brother, his connection and my connection, we're going to make this work. Yeah. It's a bit ridiculous, though. I don't even know how to explain it. Basically, it's just getting stuck in the identifying process when it's connecting to the internet. And then there's no IP address for the router on her laptop for some reason. Even though there's like a router connected. Yeah. It's making no sense. But all the other laptops and devices in the house are connected to the same router, same wireless router, and they all work perfectly fine. So I don't know what she did exactly, or what's happening exactly. So yeah, I mean, you probably know, all you smart computer people out there probably are like, duh, it's this, this, and this. But you know what? I'm not a computer nerd geek, okay? I just know a good bit of it. But like I said, that's why I've got my connection, and my brother has his connection. So, yeah. And it's just difficult to get my connection and his connection because they're always really busy and constantly working. That's why I'm having difficulties right now, because my connection is at work right now. So in between messages, he's working. Or in between working, he's messaging me. Anyways, that is all I'm doing tonight. I was actually going to end up vlogging about something else, which I completely forgot what it was now. Freaking A. I should have told you, Faleasha, so that you could help me remember.
I have, like, the worst memory in the world.
You do have. No, we both have a really bad memory. I really don't remember what it is. I remembered one thing that I wanted to do, and I was going to do it today, but that's not going to happen, which is shout-outs, because I've had quite a few subscribers and people who have been commenting in the past 2 months, month, because of June and July, and this is just the beginning of July. So, but I have probably about 10 or 11, which is a lot of people to me, okay? 10 or 11 people who have subscribed in the last month. And so I wanted to give them a shout out, but I don't have the list of people with me right now. It is all the way over there, and I don't feel like getting up right now because I have all of this set up, and I don't feel like getting up. So I will probably do that tomorrow, hopefully. Also tomorrow is Sunday, so Misha and Faleasha and I are going to sit down and go through wedding lists and stuff for Misha's wedding, make sure everything is going smoothly, because she's trying to take it all on herself. So Phoebe and I are going to help it, right, Phoebe?
Yep.
Yep. So, alright, if I don't vlog anymore tonight, then I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye, y'all.